Good morning students, I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri NEET Chemistry. Today topic is solubility product. In the solubility product, all the previous year NEET questions each questions are different. So practice well children. Now we are going to see the NEET 2017. Concentration of the silver ion in a saturated solution of silver oxalate is 2.2 into 10 power minus 4 moles per liter. Solubility product of silver oxalate is, question is over. Now let us write what is the chemical is given is, they have given the silver oxalate Ag2C2O4 which is in the solid state sparingly soluble, ionized to give, that is silver ion is 2, you put the thing, and the oxalate ion C2O4 2 minus. This is the equation is equilibrium is given. Here next one is concentration of silver ion is in the sum is 2.2 into 10 power minus 4 moles per liter. It is given in the concentration of silver ion. They are asking what is the solubility product of the compound. This is the question. Now how to approach the sum is, here concentration of the silver ion mean here 1 mole of silver oxalate ionized to give 2 mole of stoichiometry knowledge, 2 mole of silver ion and 1 mole of oxalate ion. Now what is it? 2 mole of silver is this mean what should be the concentration of oxalate? Now I am writing a concentration of 2 silver ion is equal to 2.2 into 10 power minus 4 molarity. What is the concentration of oxalate ion is half of this. So half of this means 1 by 2 into 2.2 into 10 power minus 4 molarity. Why we are dividing by 2 is because of the stoichiometry. So now the concentration of available. Now let us go to the solubility product formula is concentration of your silver ion to the power its stoichiometry 2 and a concentration of oxalate ion. This is concentration of oxalate ion sign. So regarding stoichiometry it is only 1 only. So this is the formula for solubility product. Again I am explaining this formula. Silver ion with the stoichiometry, oxalate ion with the stoichiometry. Oxalate ion stoichiometry is only 1. So this is the formula. Now let us substitute the knowledge. Concentration of silver ion. This is given as the concentration of silver ion 2.2 into 10 power minus 4 the whole square, okay, into, and then oxalate ion concentration is written here 1 by 2 into 2.2 into 10 power minus 4. Let us cancel. Now we are getting 1.1. So now the format is 2.2 into 2.2 into 10 power minus 8 into 1.1 into 10 power minus 4. Let us first complete the powers into 10 power minus 12. With that you stop and go and find the options because there may be some elimination. Here only 10 power minus 12 and minus 12, two things are available. Okay, so with that we are coming here. Now let us see here what are the things should be multiplied with 2.2 into 2.2 into 1.1. Fast you can do. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 1. What is called 4. So your answer should be 4 and above. So now I am approaching. Among these two, here 2.6 is and this is 4 above. So even without complete the sum, we can select the option because we are going for a competitive exam. Like that we can approach the question. So again I am repeating the points. First write the equilibrium here is that concentration of the silver ion is written. The knowledge is whatever concentration is given is applicable for the stoichiometry of 2. From that I am bringing the concentration of 1 oxalate based on the stoichiometry knowledge. The formula is, this is the main formula. What is the main formula here? Solubility product is equal to product of ionic compounds. So here the stoichiometry should be written. Here you need not write the 2 again, because with the 2 only it is given in the sum. With that we are proceeding. Here how we can eliminate is by find out the powers. Go and find out. I having 2 options. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 into 1, like that. Answer is more than 4. So go come and compare, more than 4 is only this. So I am putting confidently C is the answer. Like that we have to do it in the examination hall. The one more information is this, based on the 2017 question, this same knowledge is discussed in the 2019 also. Already the previous video I uploaded. So same knowledge only they are testing. So each solubility product sum is important. Each one is having different methodology. Now I am moving to the 2016 NEET question, phase number 2. Usually all the question of phase 2 is tough. Let us see now what is here. The solubility of silver chloride with the solubility product 1.6 into 10 power minus 10 in 0.1 m sodium chloride solution would be. So now let me write the equation. What is silver chloride? Which ionized to give silver ion plus Cl minus ion. What they are giving me, the solubility of silver chloride is the question. So this solubility of silver chloride is the question. What is given is solubility product is given. So what is solubility product is given as a 1.6 into 10 power minus 10. And then sodium chloride is with the concentration of 0.1 m. So these are the data available. Now let me write here the solubility of the silver chloride asking. So let us consider. I am fixing solubility of silver ion is yes, again solubility of chloride ion is for this equilibrium. It is in the sodium chloride solution. What is the meaning of it? Both of the things are available in the same beaker. Silver chloride as well as sodium chloride, both are available. Now I am writing the equation for sodium chloride. It is a strong electrolyte, so you put the single arrow Na plus and Cl minus. Since it is the strong electrolyte, its concentration is the concentration of ion. So your concentration of chloride is 0.1 m. So in the beaker your chloride ion concentration is gas plus 0.1 m. Now let us write the solubility product formula. Solubility product of your silver chloride is equal to concentration of silver ion into concentration of chloride ion. Now let us see here. Solubility product value is given 1.6 into 10 power minus 10 is given. They are asking solubility. Here the solubility of silver is yes. Okay. Next stoichiometry is 1 only. Regarding the solubility of chloride is yes, as well as is added with the 0.1 m. Here what is the knowledge? Compare with this is, that is, since the S is very lesser than the 0.1, we are eliminating this. So now it is S into 0.1 is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 10. Now this is the question. So you bring the 1 here, that is 1.6 into 10 power minus 10. 0.1 you are bringing here, that is 10 power minus 1. Next case 1.6 into 10 power minus 10 into minus 1 is become plus 1. So it is getting cancelled. What you are getting is 10 power minus 9. So answer is 1.6 into 10 power minus 9 is the solubility. Let us go and see here. 10 power minus 9 option. So now this is your answer. So like that we are approaching. Here again I am telling the thing is, the solubility of silver chloride is the question. Solubility product of silver chloride is given. So solubility product of silver chloride is given. The solubility is the question. Here in the medium of sodium chloride is given. So whatever concentration of chloride you are taking as it is, compare with this solubility is negligible. So bring it here, substitute and keep the S on one side, bring the 0.1 on the next side and completing the sum. I am expecting this pattern is the 2020 we can expect, because the model came, that is one sparingly soluble in strong. This is 4 years back it came. So I am expecting this model, that is solubility product question in different medium they will ask for 2020. Thank you children.